everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Luno Bitcoin wallet application on your iPhone. So let's get started without wasting much of our time. First of all, open your App Store. Go to the search box at the top and type in Luno. Once you find this application in the search result, tap on the Get button to begin downloading Luno Bitcoin Wallet application on your iOS device. The Luno Bitcoin Wallet app is a popular choice for buying, selling, and storing Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. So once you download the application on your device, you can launch it open and get started with it. So that is how you can easily download the Luno Bitcoin Wallet application for your iOS device. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.